have employees working across state lines. Multi-state payroll is complex, but ADP's tax engine is built to handle it if configured correctly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For each employee, you must set up their work state and, if different, their resident state for tax purposes. ADP will then apply the correct withholding rules for both states based on reciprocal agreements. You also need to ensure your business is registered with the tax agencies in each state where you have employees working. My crucial pro tip: document the physical work location meticulously. Where the work is physically performed dictates the state tax withholding and unemployment insurance (SUI) state. Keep clear records, especially for remote employees, to defend your tax positions if audited. Navigate the patchwork of state laws with a systematic setup. How many states is your payroll currently set up for? What's the biggest challenge? For more guides on complex payroll scenarios, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.